This is Thursday, day number 3. Made it to Davis-Monthan Air Force Base. They call this the Boneyard Vista RV Park. Okay, we ended up right downtown Tucson, so this is nice. I didn't expect to be driving in this time of the day.
Where are you coming from?
We are coming from Colorado.
Very nice.
Heading to see the kids for Christmas.
Awesome.
And who are you?
My name is Emily.
Emily. We're here at Roadrunner Harley Davidson. And beautiful shop. Hey, look who's here.
Look who's here. Where are the bathrooms at?
The restroom's down the hallway on the right-hand side.
Oh, thank you.
You need that red sweater.
I saw that and I thought it was beautiful. Okay, that was relatively painless, and the young gal there showed me that there's a Harley app. I had no idea, and you get points every time you buy something. I wish I'd have known that about 250 t-shirts ago. We're back on the road. Well, unfortunately, we had a rock in the window, and it had a crack in it about 4 inches long. Now it's almost a foot all across the windshield. I don't know what we're going to do. Find some place that looks like a new windshield. Had to need call Glass Doctor and Highway 88 there in Jackson. So they ordered a new windshield. They're gonna put it in on the 23rd. So that's all great. It's gonna be just a little better than 900 bucks. That's what happens when you travel. So I'm really glad that we got that taken care of. Now we just have to get it in and paid for. So this is for all. I'm not sure what just fell down. Well, the trip is not over yet. Just heard a huge bang, and there was nothing on the inside, but I lost 2 solar panels. I lost. Tore it right out of the roof rack, and the wind has been horrific. This is going to be an expensive trip. Okay, expensive trip so far. Lost 2 solar panels. What I started to say before everything came apart, for you RVers and van life people, this is world famous Quartzsite, Arizona. First time we've ever driven through here. I don't see the draw. I know it's a famous site. People come down here, spend the winters. I think we'll just be traveling through. Made it to March Air Force Base Reserve Camp, and just to finish off just a wonderful day. It was a really rough road in here, and the camper went sideways, knocked some bowls and plates and everything out, broke 2 dishes and a cup and all over the floor. And then when I got here, I picked a spot right next to a bunch of screaming kids and a barking dog. Oh my goodness. Hope tomorrow's better. I think I'm going to see about a different spot.